I've heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord. But you don't really care for music, do ya? It goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall, the major leaf, the baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You soaked your bathing on the roof. Your beauty in the moonlight overthrew. She tied you to a kitchen chair. She broke your throat. She cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.
When baby I've been here before, I've seen this room and I walk this floor. I used to live alone before I knew ya, and I've seen your flag on the marble arch. And love is not a victory march, it's a goldenness is broken.
But all I ever loved from love was how to shoot.